Hello, welcome back to Split Hour Farm. Today we're going to be bringing you into the kitchen and showing you a quick and easy recipe for your backstrap. It's that time of year, hunting season is amiss, and we luckily got a deer today. So we're going to have a delicious dinner with a nice fresh backstrap, and we're going to fire up the grill and get that started. Bam, bam. Get it cooking. So we're going to let that warm up, and while we're doing that, we're going to go in the kitchen and do our quick prep. So we finished processing out the remaining portions, and we have our backstrap here. It was cooling in the fridge while we finished up, and now we're going to toss some seasoning on it. All we're going to do is add 3 ingredients. We're going to have some regular salt, some onion powder, and some garlic. And really, it's so good plain that you can just add a little salt and do that as well, but I'm going to spice it up a little bit extra. So you don't want to put too much of any spice really, because you're going to lose that natural gamey flavor that comes with deer, and it really actually brings out this good taste. Less is more here. Now we're ready for the grill. The grill is warmed up, so we're just going to toss on our good old backstrap. So the backstrap's on the grill. We're going to wait for 5 to 7 minutes each side. We're going to check on it periodically just to make sure that it's not overcooked, and then we are good to go. Ooh, look good, look good. Right. Come on, Max. Look at that, baby. That looks delicious to me. Look at that. Perfect. Delicious. It's hot, but good. Hey, great. Hope you like this. Check back, Split Hour Farm.